friends, welcome to my channel Shesa's Crochet. In this tutorial we are going to see how to crochet this star. It is very easy and simple. Anybody can do this project if you know the single crochet stitch, half double crochet and triple crochet. If anyone doesn't know how to crochet these stitches, when you watch this video you will be able to understand quickly how to do all these stitches also. So please keep watching. Let's start doing this project. The yarn which I'm going to use here is macrame yarn and the hook size is 3 mm. Now we need to make a circle. For that there are many ways. Either you can use your fingers and wrap, and then you can do the magic circle, or you can do the chains like I'll show you. Slip knot and then 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and into the first stitch we are going to do a slip stitch, so we will get the space inside. Now we got a space inside. There are many ways to do the magic circle. Now let's do chain 3, 1 2 3, and inside this we are going to do 2 more double crochet. One time wrap the yarn, insert the hook into the space, again yarn over, and then adjust the height, yarn over, 1 2. We want to make 1 more double crochet, same here, and then 2 chain, 1 2. Now we are going to do 5 sets of 3 double crochets inside this circle. So wrap the yarn, insert the hook into the space, and then adjust the height, yarn over, grab 1 2 3, 2 chain, again 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2 3. If you don't have the space, you just pull this. If you don't have the space, you can just push this backward, so you will get the space inside to do the double crochet stitches. Now we got 1 2 3 4, again chain 2, 1 2, and inside 3 double crochets, 1 2, and then 3. Now 2 more chains, 1 2, and slip stitch into the third chain of first these 3, 1 2 3. Here we are going to do the slip stitch. Under this 2 loop we will insert the hook like this, 1 and 2, then grab the yarn. After that slowly grab the yarn and come through the chain. So we got here the points where we made the double chains. We got the points 1 2 3 4 5. So the space total we have 1 2 3 4 and then 5. Now we are going to the second round and the last round. Chain 3, 1 2 3, sorry, chain 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. We got here 6 chains. Now from the hook to the second one, means not this stitch, this is the first chain. Where the hook stays, that's not a chain. This is the first chain, and to the second chain, that is in this chain, we are going to do a single crochet. Single crochet, we will not wrap the hook, just insert the hook into this, grab the yarn and then yarn over, pull through, that is a single crochet. And then we are going to do a half double crochet, that is yarn, wrap the yarn, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, and then you got 3 loops and the hook. Now yarn over and pull through these 3, that is half double crochet stitch. And then we are moving to the double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook into this, yarn over, and then first 2 loop, then the second 2 loop. So we got a double crochet stitch here. And then we are going to do triple crochet. 1 2 times we'll wrap the hook, wrap the yarn, and then insert the hook into this, and then grab this, first 2, second 2, and the third 2. Okay, 1 2 times wrap the yarn, insert the hook into this last chain, yarn over, leave this 2, this second 2, and the last. Now we got the shape of a star. We are just going to slip stitch into this space here. So insert the hook inside the space and then do a slip stitch. Again chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, do the single crochet stitch, do the half double crochet, do the single double crochet, half double crochet, then the triple crochet. Now go to the space and do the slip stitch. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and then triple crochet. Into the space we will do a slip stitch, then chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, into the first single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, again triple crochet, and then slip stitch into the space. Again 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and then last triple crochet. We are using here all the stitches in an order, so we starts with the single crochet stitch, and we are ending with the half double triple crochet, so it is very easy. At the end we will do the slip stitch inside this point, the last point. No need to do the slip stitch inside this space. We will do here in the last point, where here we will do, yeah, and then tight it, then a chain. Let's trim this one, this excess yarn. It's very simple and easy only. See, our star is ready now. Let's weave this yarn inside this space. So now our star crochet is ready. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.